We just arrived at the Moon Palace. Got a special love. This is a carnation, people. Let's just move. Let's just. This is the road. So hey, we just got in our room at the Moon Palace, Jamaica. So, hey, Chris. And it is really nice, y'all. Like, it is super nice. We have a room with double beds that have the full ocean view. And so just look at it. Just look. It's so beautiful out there. You can barely see, but we are here. We are happy. And I gotta get out of these hot clothes because I've been kind of sick, but Jamaica has officially cured my cold. So we are here and we're about to go. Stay tuned. Right here, you know? Hey guys, hey Crystal. Hey. Okay.
They're all just hanging out inside.
I know, right? So again, we are headed to Dunn's River Fall. We are almost there, I hope. We've been on this bus. Yes. Riding through these Jamaican streets. So we're just on our way and super excited. this nature.
I'm so scary. But we got through the worst part. We got through it. So cool.
Just got done climbing duns in Jamaica. That's a big park over there. I am vlogging. You want to give a shout out?
Hello from London.
From London?
From Jamaica.
From Jamaica? Wait,
You know, I ain't hear that. Okay, you're freaking up.
what? Okay, thank you. Of course we didn't. We have not gone yet, but check it out. I'm just trying to get out. I'm just trying to get out of here.
What's your name?
Charisma Ray. You can follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, will do.
Charisma_Ray.
Hold on.
You gotta go to my website, charismaray.com.
Hey, superstar, what's up?
Yo, I'm blessings in general.
Oh, you a superstar. I'm with a superstar, y'all. What's that
I
much?
want you to use the camera and look at authentic stuff that we make with hands. Not from China. But
It's not from China.
no. This is
Not from China. Not made in China.
Come and take it near my brothers. Look at it. See what we do. You don't have to spend $1, but you could take pictures. Get me famous, even you don't buy nothing.
Oh, okay.
Promotion.
Do you shoot? Yes.
That's what I do. I got clothes that I'm supposed to show you the wouldn't work. 5 of us do everything here.
Wow.
And the price, very low.